Ica ikuhĩ atongoria amwe gĩcunjĩ kĩnene arĩa makoragwo kambĩini-inĩ ya mũnini wa president makoretwo makĩhũra ũteti wa kũgayũkania nyũmba ya Gema maita merĩ, ũteti ũrĩa mũnini wa president Professor Kithure Kindiki akoretwo atumĩirie no muthia nĩumũkanĩtie harĩa arũgamĩire.
I don't want to see our community talking in different languages. We are one people. Yes, sisi ni jamii moja.
Minister wa uruti wĩra wa mũingĩ Joyfrey Ruku akoretwo ariwe koigi wa ũrĩa kĩrĩma kĩbatie kũgayanio irathĩro na ithũĩro, akiuga ndũrĩrĩ cia Embu, Meru na Tharaka ikoretwo itekũgunĩka na ngwatanĩro ĩno. Mũnini wa president akiuga ũteti wa mũthemba ũyũ ni wa kwĩhĩngĩca.
We've done a lot of things together and we have a long history. So there is nothing that can divide us. Na wale watu wanafikiri wataleta hasara hapa ya watu kuongea different languages, wa relax. Na waambiwe sasa hivi Deputy Rais ni fireman na atahakikisha kwamba jamii yote tutatembea pamoja. There is no problem. Bana leta usumbufu, bana piga kelele sana, bana tenganisha wananchi.
Kila sehemu ya mwili iko na muhimu wake. Hata hichi kidole kidogo kama hawezi shika ugali vizuri. And that is why we are saying every community is as important as any other community.
Na gũtuĩka nĩonekete kũrarakwo nĩ ũteti na mĩario ya mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro na makĩria thutha wa thirikari na icoka ciayo ciothe kũhotwo gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnini kĩa Ol Kalou nĩ kĩama kĩa DCP. Kindiki arauga President William Ruto arĩ ona uge mũnene na nĩakahotana ikereka rĩa kerĩ.
Hii ya next year ni mambo kidogo, my friend. Just pray for good health peke yake na Mungu tu, kibali ya Mwenyezi Mungu. The rest is easy. Kuna watu watashangaa because the Bible tells us God humbles the proud and God raises those who are humble. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni fire si fire?
I have no regrets whatsoever as the governor of Embu for having worked with the national government of the Republic of Kenya.
Kindiki agerekete ikereka rĩa president wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta na President Ruto mauma igoti-inĩ rĩa kĩmabũrũri rĩa ICC, akiuga ona kũrĩ na ituĩka ũteti-inĩ arĩ na mwĩhoko nĩ makahotana.
It surprised everybody. Wenye walikuwa wanajipiga kifua, wenye walikuwa na kimbelembele, Mungu akawaibisha. Wale watu walikuwa na case Hague, rais na mdogo yake, Mungu akapatia nafasi wananchi wa Kenya wawapigie kura ili nchi yetu itulie na nchi yetu ipate amani.
If you attempt to destroy Kenya, you are destroying your nation. It's a beautiful nation. This is your home.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.